Hey gang, Denise here. Today I'm going to show you another great release technique that is for the suboccipital area, these little muscles that are at the base of the skull and top of the neck. Very much getting crunched as we drive our cars and sit at our desks. So all of us are going to appreciate this. It has a big effect on the back body as well, because it's part of that back line of the body. So if I test my feeling in forward fold, again, I'm probably going to feel a little bit of my hamstrings and maybe my low back. Upper back feels okay, but what effect is it going to have if I roll out my suboccipital? So I'm going to ease myself back onto this block and then put the small balls. And I'm using 2 balls in a little bag like this. You could use 2 tennis balls in a sock, or you could tape a couple balls together and get a similar effect. So I'm fitting those into that little corner at the base of my skull, top of the neck. And now I can just roll. I can tuck my chin under and look up, tuck, and lift a few times. I can roll my head from side to side. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. It's like getting a deep massage in these muscles. So I might want to spend probably an hour here. I'm just joking. I'll spend maybe 5 minutes or something to get a good effect, but I really don't want to get up from here at all, but I will. So up I come, and now I'm going to just see how that has influenced my forward fold. What do I feel? Okay, honestly, I feel like I can fall forward now. Literally, something happened to cause a release. So it's not even as though I worked out a muscle or something, but my whole body just feels like it can fall. So that really relaxed my body. It's a good thing to know that these techniques are not just working with your body tissues per se, even though that's quite profound. It works with the nervous system to calm down the nervous system. This is very essential, especially, for helping you sleep and for helping you just calm the heck down. So remember that about these, and dig up those balls you've got at home or find some balls online and start rolling. It is going to really benefit you in so many ways. And I have so much more to show you, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.